In this video, you'll learn how to automate Gmail using n8n. By the end of this guide, you will have set up a workflow that can automatically manage your emails. To begin, navigate to the n8n workflow automation platform. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for n8n. Once the page loads, you should see the n8n interface, which is user-friendly and designed for creating automation workflows. Next, locate the plus icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the n8n dashboard. Clicking this icon will prompt you to create a new workflow. After selecting the plus icon, a new workflow canvas will appear, indicating that you are ready to start building your automation. After that, find the workflow option in the menu. This is usually positioned in the left sidebar. Clicking on workflow will take you to a screen where you can manage your workflows. Ensure you are on the correct screen before proceeding. Then click on the Create In button. This button allows you to initiate the creation of a new automation. A menu will pop up, providing you with various options for your workflow setup. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options. Following this, select the personal option, which is often designated for individual automation tasks. This selection will direct you to a section where you can enter specific details for your automation. Next, type in the phrase "Create Automation Gmail Receiving Emails" into the search bar. This will help you find the specific template or workflow related to Gmail. As you type, the interface may provide suggestions. Ensure you select the correct one. Once you've entered the search term, click on the Build button, which is usually prominently displayed. This action will lead you to the Workflow Builder, where you can customize the automation to fit your needs. After that, click on the Enter key to confirm your selection. This action will finalize the creation of your new automation workflow. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your workflow is being set up. Finally, you will see a message stating, "I'll help you create a workflow that receives Gmail emails." This indicates that you are on the right track. From here, you can continue to follow the prompts to further configure your automation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.